Goody kids! Today we're going to learn about rainbow colors and how to make a DIY. Come and join with me. Are you ready? La 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 la. Violet, indigo, blue and green, yellow, orange, red, what a scene. 7 colors in the sky so high. That's our rainbow up so bright. La 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 la. VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR shows colors near and far. VIBGYOR. Let's sing our rainbow song. Hoorah! Colored flowers, indigo jeans, blue like the sky, you know what it means. Green for the grass, yellow the sun, orange and red, now we've just begun. La la, let's sing. VIBGYOR. Now we know what rainbows are. VIBGYOR. Color magic superstar. Shine, 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 just me. Shine, 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 hey, shine, 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 just me. Grab your paper, glue and string. Let's make a rainbow, sing, sing, sing. Cut each color one by one. Stick them down, we're almost done. Add some cotton clouds so white. Hang it up, what a sight. Rainbow shining big and bright. We made Jeeker come to life tonight. Oh, celebrate! Ow! VIBGYOR. Now we're rainbow rocking stars. VIBGYOR. Shining colors near and far. Hi, Goody kids. Do you remember the colors? It's VIBGYOR!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and support.